Welcome to this quick revision video on our data representation for IGCSE Computer Science 0478. Data representation is the way information is stored and expressed in a computer, usually in binary form, using zeros and ones, so the computer can process, manipulate, and communicate it. In simple terms, it is how computers convert numbers, text, images, and sound into a format they can understand. And work with. So when you're dealing with computers, we have information can be in form of text, images, sound, or numbers. So the computer will convert it to binary because that is the only language a computer can understand. For instance, letter A is stored as, in a computer, is stored as 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1 in binary. Computers can only understand binary, which is a system of ones and zeros. Everything that you see on a computer, text, numbers, images, and sound is stored in binary. Okay, so when you look at this, they are stored in binary. So let's start with binary numbers. Okay, so what is binary? So it's a system of two digits. The system of 2 digits. That is 0 and 1. These are the only digits that we find in binary. Each digit is called a bit. And a group of 8 bits is called a byte. So you can say 8 bits is called a byte. 1 byte. For instance, if we say 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, this is a group of 8 bits, which is a byte. In binary, each digit position represents a power of 2, just like decimal place values represent powers of 10. For instance, if you have this 1, 0, 1, 1, the place value for this one is 2 to power 0. This is 2 to power 1. This is 2 to power 2. This is 2 to power 3. What it means is that any number that is raised to power 0 is 1. This is just indices. Then 2 to power 1 is 2. 2 to power 2 means 2 times 2, which will give us 4. 2 to power 3 means 2 times 2 times 2. We multiply 2 3 times. So this will give us 8. So the place value for this one is 1. The place value for this one is 2. The place value for 0 is 4. And the place value for this one is 8. This is very important for you to know in binary. So let's look at binary conversion. If you want to convert this same number to decimal or denary, what you do is you multiply the position, the bit position, and the place value. So let's look at this one. If you want to convert this to base 10, it will be 1 times 1, which is equal to 1. Then we come to this one, it will be 1 times 2, which will give us a 2. Then come here to be 0 times 4, which will give us a 0. And then we come to this one to be 1 times 8. 1 times 8, which is equal to 8. Then we add this. So to be 8, 10, 11. So this one in 1011 in binary, if we convert it to decimal, it will give us this 11 in denary. This is how we do the conversion. Okay, let's have another example. Let's call this one example 1. Let's have another example here. Example 2. Let's convert 101 binary to decimal. So what we do is we're going to look at the place value for this one. The place value for this one is 1. The place value for this one is 2. The place value for this one is 4. Okay, using this method here, so we are going to say 1 times 1, which is 1. Then this one will be 0 times 2, which is 0. And then we come here, this one will be 1 times 4, which is equal to 4. So when we add 4 and 1, you're going to end up with 5. This is how we calculate, we convert from binary to decimal. What are the rules for converting binary to decimal, which is base 10? So rule number 1, what you need to do is write down the digits of the number. So you write down the digits of the number. Rule number 2, you have to multiply each digit by its place value. Multiply each digit by its place value. Then number 3, you add all the results. Add all the results together. Then the 4th one is to, the sum is the decimal number. That is base 10.